Hey, welcome to How's It Channel. In today's lesson, we will teach you how to convert Excel to PDF. Open a web browser. Paste a link you can find in the description box below. Open the web page. Click on Excel to PDF. Click on Choose File. Select the file and click on Open. Wait until it is done. Click on Download File. Set the path and save the file. There's also another way. Open the Excel file you need. Click on File at the top left corner and select Save As. Set the path and save the file. Click on Save As Type and select PDF from the drop-down list. Click on Save. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!